This is a protractor, and we use a protractor to measure an angle. First, we bring the protractor over the angle and leave the center of the protractor over the angle like this. Then we align the 0 line on the protractor to one line on the angle, so that the other line can be seen above and through the protractor. If you notice, there are two tracks of numbers, one starting at 0 and the other starting at 180. We use the 0 line and go up until we meet the other line. For example, this angle measures 50 degrees. An acute angle measures between 0 and 90 degrees. A right angle measures exactly 90 degrees. This is how we do a right angle. See that little box in between the two lines? That means 90 degrees. An angle over 90 degrees is called an obtuse angle. When we go up to 180, we call it a straight angle. That is a straight angle. An angle over 180 degrees is called a reflex angle. And now, a complete turn, like a circle, is 360 degrees. Now, here's how you measure a reflex angle. Because your protractor is only up to 180 degrees, you measure the acute angle on the other side and subtract 360 degrees from the measurement. In this example, do you see that the acute angle was 25 degrees? So, 360 degrees minus 25 degrees gives us 335 degrees. Now, to go over all the types of angles, I want you to carefully look at each type of angle. Acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle.